Hi everybody and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download ExpressVPN on laptop, whether it is Windows 10 or 11. Guys, this is a simple process to get ExpressVPN running for secure browsing. Plus, I'll explain why NordVPN's a better pick. Link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. Let's dive in. Open your browser, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. On your Windows 10 or 11 laptop, go to expressvpn.com. Look for the Download VPN option in the top menu, hover over it, and select Windows PC VPN. Click the green Download for Windows button to grab the exe installer file. If a pop-up asks for permission, click Save or Download. The file should land in your Downloads folder in seconds. Once downloaded, find the expressvpn.exe file in your Downloads folder. Double-click it, and select Run or Yes to start the installation. Follow the prompts, click Next, accept the terms, and hit Install. It takes about a minute. When done, launch ExpressVPN. If you don't have an account, sign up at expressvpn.com, pick a plan, and enter your email and password. In the app, click Sign In, enter your credentials, and click Continue. Allow ExpressVPN to configure VPN settings by clicking OK. Click the Power button to connect to ExpressVPN's smart location for fast, secure browsing. Unique tip: pin ExpressVPN to your taskbar for quick access. If it won't download or install, check your internet or disable antivirus temporarily. ExpressVPN's reliable with 3,000 plus servers in 105 countries, but NordVPN is better. NordVPN offers 8,000 plus servers in 126 countries, often cheaper. Plans start at $3 a month versus ExpressVPN's 8+. Its NordLynx protocol ensures faster streaming and CyberSec blocks ads. NordVPN supports 10 devices versus ExpressVPN's 8, with audited no-logs privacy. Link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.